In this video, we are going to look at how creating high-quality fluted and ribbed glass textures like these can help you generate a solid passive income by selling them on Adobe Stock, Dreamtime, and various other digital marketplaces. We analyzed different abstract glass gradients to see how clean geometric patterns and vibrant color blends perform exceptionally well in the commercial design market. To start the process, open up Photoshop and go to the adjustment layers and add a black to white gradient fill, setting the angle to 0 degrees to get a crisp vertical transition. Now, convert this layer into a smart object, use the transform tool to shrink it horizontally into a narrow strip, and then duplicate it across the canvas. By precisely repeating and arranging these vertical black and white gradients side by side, we create a seamless ribbed pattern. Once the canvas is fully covered, save this file as a PSD named Gloss Texture, because this will act as our custom displacement map. Next, create a new 1920 by 1080 canvas for our main artwork. Solid black layer in Photoshop. Then, select the brush tool and make some wavy lines across the canvas. After that, duplicate the layer to add more depth to your design. Next, convert your artwork into a smart object. Go to the Filter Gallery, click on Distort, and then select Glass. From here, load your pattern file verbatim and adjust the levels, distortion, and smoothness until you get that perfect, realistic ribbed reflection. Watch how the glass filter instantly transforms those simple brushstrokes into a stunning, distorted abstract background, ready to be exported and sold for passive income.